Hey guys, every week I draw a new anime boy and upload the drawing process to YouTube. I know you have been asking me for tutorials of how to draw a hot anime boy, and I have them ready for you in the description. The beginner level tutorials show you how to draw the outlines step by step. No matter you want to draw a front face, or a side view face, or 3/4 view face. The intermediate tutorials focus on how to draw individual facial features, such as anime eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. These tutorials also teach how to draw hands, abs, chest, and arm muscles. The advanced level tutorials not only tell you how to sketch the outline, but also show you how to color the anime characters by adding shadows and highlights. Lighting is the most important thing to make your drawing fancy and stand out from other mediocre drawings. Please take a look of these 3 tutorial playlists, and if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye!